in the judges for this category are Thakur Siddharth Singh Ji Rohit. आपका अश्व डिस्क्वालीफाई कर दिया जाएगा अगर एक से ज्यादा हैंडलर हुआ। दिया जाएगा judges का निर्णय।
Beauty and grace of these horses quietly. So many of these black horses, let me bring to your notice, technically, scientifically, there is no black horse. If you romanticize it in books and novels and movies and plays, you may call it a black horse or a black stallion or a black albino. Pink skin, white hair is an albino. It is a disqualification for the Marwar war horses. I believe in any breed, for every breed. And black skin and white hair is grey, often known as Shwet in Marwari, or known as Sanjab or Kagdi or Lily. Lily is the blue roan that you see, one quite handsome looking horse there, pretty looking filly. There we have a chestnut. The one handler is in white. That's like a bay horse, light bay, massaged with an oil, and how it looks. We don't see that color too often now. I'm trying to look for a color, Kalia Kamet. There is one filly with a handler in white, right at 90-degree angle from us. Let's see it carefully. Is it a Kamet or a Telia Kamet? Lovely marking, the one right in front of us. The cover, the dark.
પણ મારે ખવામાં તો હાથ મેલ દિયો જણ મેં કે વાહ અપરો વોટ તો હર સાલ અમટ નહીં જાય હર બાર यू नो बहुत ही सरल सुशील स्वभाव रहा जोराराम जी कुमावत। प्लीज पुट योर हैंड्स टुगेदर लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन फॉर द ऑनरेबल मिनिस्टर माननीय कैबिनेट मंत्री देवस्थान एवं गौपालन विभाग राजस्थान सरकार।
बैग नंबर 3 किसका है?
Let me share with you are you interested in the story of the great Shubrak? Yes, Mara Kawarsa Havichi Bharpoj. A horse by the name Shubrak owned by and threw off Qutbuddin Aibak and trampled him under his feet, killing him. Just before this happened, Kumar Karan's galloping horse, he mounted the horse and they moved away from the enemy land. 3 days and 3 nights that horse ran and reached the fort in Mewar. When the master Kumar Karan Singh Ji dismounted, he patted the horse, and the horse. If you have committed yourself to somebody, you will go heart and soul and do whatever it takes. Be my friends, you see.
बैग नंबर 5 किसका है?
Would you want to play a little quiz competition, ladies and gentlemen? So, I said that, allow me to stand up so that I can see you better. Where are the knees? Ghoda re lalda pagomate ghoda kate ve. If you see, would you want to know? Now that you're jit karo to mane kya not padi. You see that horse there? Where the loins start, so the hind legs में. That horse that you see? तो पीछे वाले खुर से आप ऊपर चढ़े और जहाँ वो पाँव पेट अंदर जाता है, पाँव नीचे शुरू होता है, बटे गुड्डू है. आजा. Now horses keep eating. If you have to ask, then I'll tell you. आजकल बिन पूछे कौन बतावे? जो एसिड है, हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड है, वो फ्लो ही करता रहता है, तो पेट में अल्सर ना हो, इसलिए सुबह सवेरे घोड़े को थोड़ा नाश्ता करा के काम दिया जाता है ताकि पेट में there's something to burn, you know. Then you'll become a millionaire. You know. Have you noticed that they say, I'm a behavioral coach, I'm a behavioral scientist, and I do a lot of research and study on horse behavior and human behavior. आपने सुना होगा कि डरो मत घोड़ा डरेगा. ये सुना
Right or wrong? Children? Thought. It is the body that reflects the thought through the body the mind reflects. So जो हम सोचते हैं
हमें दोस्ती की. Can you be a little louder so everybody knows that I'm talking sense and you're listening to me? This whip I have. Okay? So now, would you want to do a little demonstration for everybody? Come here. There's a chair khali. Everybody can notice. Okay, you come here, little girl. What's your name, beta? David Smitha. Come here. Just stir up. Now when you get your left leg up, where does it get stuck? What comes in the way? नहीं आता. अभी एक बच्चे ने मुझे सिखाया. क्या सिखाया? वो बच्चे ने कहा कि सर, इंसान तो घोड़ों से गया बीता है. मैं कहा वो तो मंठा है. वो तो मंठा है. पर क्यों? है माने मारवाड़ी आवे. See? She's amazed. I know Marwari. So, say how? So he said, sir, वो घोड़े को एक चाबुक मार दो ना. When you are angry, you behave angry. When your father wants to be nice to you, wants to be nasty, but he's nice to you. Two different aspects of the same person, right? But you are the way. Children are what they are inside. They are the same thing outside. Is that okay? Is that right? They are outside. Children. Okay. Adults are not like that. So children, horses feel very safe because they say, no, where is an English, our desi cow in America? Horse, but what of the horse? What any horse, but what of the horse that corrects the vastu of the place? No. Yeah, that's very romanticized, young lady. हमें तो फिल्मों में क्या हमें आज कोई let's say if I come on screen and say you know what you must have a little pony. Anybody stays on screen time? I can tell you are lucky people then. Doomed are they? I am telling you doomed. Yeah. Though I am on the internet, but I only use it for like half an hour because it's business for me. She's come to have a little look at everybody. Look at her mouth. That is a sign of a desert horse. एक कटोरी मुंह.
ध्यान इसकी छुरी में
पूनम जी सुन लियो हमारे दर्शकों को सुनाएं